Good morning, happy Monday, and welcome to Monday's Marketing Minute. I'm Rachel Lindhagen, President and founder of Etched Marketing, and I'm so glad that you are here to join me this morning to learn something really quick, easy, and actionable that you can do for your business today. You can implement this week to make a difference in your marketing. My goal here is to walk through one strategy or tactic every Monday morning in 5 to 10 minutes maximum and give you something that you can walk away with and you can implement in your business. So today we're going to talk about Facebook marketing and most importantly, where you should build your business on Facebook. So many of you are probably very concerned about the new algorithm and know that it's talked about the fact that they're really trying to focus on engagement metrics and posts and videos and things that your friends and family are engaging with. So you may be thinking, okay, in order to get around this algorithm or in order to perform the best and be seen, I should build my business on my personal profile page because that's where my friends and family are and they see things and they would potentially interact and engage, and that might give me more visibility. And maybe I have more friends on my page than I have followers on a business page, or if I haven't even started a business page, then I definitely have more friends. Maybe seems like a great idea because you've heard that posts from business pages are not going to be seen as regularly in the news feed, and they're really focusing on this engagement and they're focusing on conversations and content that matters, that people are reading and sharing and engaging with. So the concept probably seems great. There's a little caveat, there's a little issue there. It is against Facebook's terms of service to build your business on your personal page. Right there. You're breaking the rules if you try to build your business on your personal page. So it's not a way to get around the algorithm. And you may see people saying this and touting it and saying, oh, do this, do this, do this, and beat the algorithm. That's where we run into the so-called gurus, like we've talked about before. Those are people who really don't have enough experience in digital marketing to understand all the rules, or they don't necessarily play by the rules. I believe very much that we have to play by the rules. We want to make sure that everything we're doing follows Facebook's rules or Google's rules when we're talking about SEO, because they don't reward cheaters. So you need to build your Facebook business page. Do not try to build everything out on your personal profile. If you build it out on your personal profile and Facebook sees you, and they do check for these things, you could very likely end up in what's dubbed Facebook jail. Facebook jail essentially means you have no access to your site, to your Facebook page. Sometimes they'll remove your ability to like or comment or engage with posts. Sometimes they will block you completely. I've heard of situations and instances where somebody lost their profile completely because they were breaking the rules. So don't risk it. If you're building your business, follow the rules and build out a Facebook business page. In addition to doing it the right way and following the rules, you get so many benefits from a Facebook business page that you do not get when you try to build it out on your personal profile. Facebook business pages are designed for just that. They are designed for business. They give you analytics and insights that are very actionable, that help you figure out what's working and what's not working for your business on their social media channel. So when you have a business page built out and people are engaging with it and you're sharing content on a regular basis, you can go into the Insights tab. And that Insights tab is going to tell you how many people have looked at your page, how many people have engaged with each post, how many people have reacted to a post. It'll give you insights on sharing. You can also learn about your audience over time. You can see when they're the most active, when they're on Facebook, what time of day, what day of the week. You can also find out insights. You can actually track competitors' Facebook pages so that you can get some insights and see how frequently are they posting, how much engagement do they get. It's all the public data that's available that you could go and get and research manually, but Facebook allows you that option of just adding in a competitor there and tracking them, which is fantastic if you're really trying to pay attention to what's happening within your niche within your market and you want to know what others are doing and how it's working for them, you can use that insight and kind of take a look at it. So most important things for today's Marketing Minute are the fact that you need to build out a Facebook business page. There are a couple reasons. The first reason we talked about is that it's against Facebook's rules to try to build your business on your personal page. The second is that you get analytical data when you use a Facebook business page, and that analytical data should be used as part of your ongoing strategy. And you should be testing and looking at that information each month, maybe even each week, depending on how active you are on Facebook and how far into the process you are. But you should be looking at that information on an ongoing basis. The other thing is that you cannot run ads off a personal profile or from a group. You need to run ads from your Facebook business page. So if you're paying attention to the algorithm and you're understanding that Facebook is becoming more and more a pay for play or pay for visibility type scenario, then you know that you're probably going to need to support your organic efforts with some Facebook ads in order to improve your reach. You need to have that Facebook business page built in order to run ads. So those are some things that I really want you to think about. Build your page. You are following the rules. You're getting additional analytical data, and you have the ability then to run ads to that page to help expand your reach and broaden your audience. These are all really good reasons to have a Facebook business page rather than just trying to build out your business on your personal profile. And I promise you, your friends and family will appreciate the fact that you're not bombarding them with your business posts on personal. They're not connected to you on Facebook because they want to hear about your business and they want to buy your products, especially if you're multi-level marketing, whatever it is. That's not why they're connected to you on Facebook. That's not what they're looking for. They want pictures of you. They want to know what's happening in your life. They want to see the kids. They want to see the events and the holidays and all of that. They're not there to read your special about your multi-level marketing or your small business or whatever it is. If there's something that you think is really super applicable once in a while, then absolutely go ahead and share that out. I do it myself. Every once in a while, I'll share a post because I know a number of my friends and family members are small business owners. So, for example, when Facebook did the major update to the algorithm and it was going to impact small business owners, I know a lot of my friends and family members on Facebook have small business pages. So I did go ahead and share that video with them because it helped them to know what the changes were, and it was something that was very useful that they needed in that moment. But for the most part, if they're interested in what you're doing for your business, they're going to follow your business page. So don't think that you need to do it and this is how you're going to get your exposure. Just follow the rules, build your business page. Now, I'm going to challenge you. We've done a couple of these and we've just given tips. Today, I want to challenge you. If you do not have a Facebook business page set up yet, I want you to go ahead and build out your page this week. Go ahead and set up your business page, set your name, put a profile photo, and create a cover photo. And if you don't have those assets yet, you can use canva.com. It's a free graphic design tool where you can go in and build assets for that. They have the templates available. All you have to do is choose that you want a Facebook profile photo and a Facebook cover photo. So I want you to go ahead and take care of that, get it set up this week, and then check back in the comments. Let us know that you've got your Facebook business page set up, and then we'll start talking more about what type of content you should have on there. Thanks so much. Happy Monday. We'll talk to you. Hopefully you can join us. We're talking on Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. We'll be talking about step 2 of our audience identification process. So as we've talked about, marketing is reaching the right person. So last week on our live, we talked about the right person. This week, we're talking about at the right time with the right message. So this week, we're going to talk about at the right time. Next week, we'll be talking about the message. So tune in this Wednesday at 10 a.m. or catch the replay to learn how to determine when is the right time for your marketing message. Thanks so much. Have a great day.